No, she is doing something. She's talking on her phone. Instead of doing her work, she's talking on her phone. So I'm taking a video of this. Absolutely. Because that's what she said to do. Ma'am, I am doing it quietly. You're the one who's interfering. Then kick me out of the store so I can't pick up my package. While she's the one that's doing it. The point is that she's multitasking while talking on the phone while she should be finishing the task. Instead, she's wasting her time talking on the phone.
Well, now she's talking to me.
So you can hear the phone talking. No!